Hello everyone, I am Radhika and in today's video we will take an example determining the small signal gain from VOS to Vout under the heading Bandgap Reference Voltage under main heading Analog Building Blocks. So let's begin. So in this example, or I must say in this numerical, assuming an ideal op-amp, determining the small signal gain from VOS to Vout. We have to determine VOS to Vout, that is the output offset voltage. We have taken in the previous lecture the issue that is the offset output offset voltage, op-amp offset voltage and output impedance. The same circuit is taken in this question and we want to calculate VOS to Vout. These are the equation we have derived in the last lecture, taking them in this also in this case. So in the absence of the op-amp offset, the two diode connected bipolar transistors carry equal bias current, exhibiting a transconductance of Gm. So we can replace these Q1 and Q2 with a small signal resistance equals to 1 by Gm. And we note that Vx minus VOS is equals to Vy. If we apply here KVL, then we find that Vx minus VOS is equals to Vy. And we can write the following small signal equation. Okay, how we can find that one in this first in this case 1 upon Gm, it is the transconductance that the Q1 transistor offer. 1 upon Gm upon 1 upon Gm plus R V out. Okay, applying a simple Thevenin rule, 1 upon Gm upon 1 upon Gm plus R1 V out minus this voltage VOS. Okay, because VOS is applied at this point X of the transistor Q1 is equals to 1 upon Gm2 मतलब transconductance of Q2 plus R3 upon 1 upon Gm plus R3 R2 V out. Okay, so applying the Thevenin in both the branches, we get this equation. Since R1 is equals to R2, we can solve it and put R1, put R2 in place of R1. We get V out is equals to VOS equals to minus of 1 plus 1 by Gm R2 plus 1 upon Gm plus R2 whole square upon R2 plus R3. Now, if this GMR2 is large, is greater than equal to 1, then we can get that V out by VOS is equals to minus of 1 plus R2 by R3. This is the result we have obtained previously, in which we said that VOS is amplified, this offset voltage is also amplified by 1 plus R2 by R3. So this result is agreeing what we have obtained previously, and thus 1 by Gm can be equivalent to 0. So VOS simply sees a non-inverting amplifier with a gain of 1 plus R2 R3. Then this equation, why does this equation 5 does not completely agree with minus VOS 1 plus R2 by R3? Okay, so in this the component in this you can say in equation this equation 3 was derived taking that IC1 is equals to IC2. Okay, the collector current in both the branches are equal despite the offset voltage. So let's see, let's consider this effect that Vx minus Vos is equals to Vy. We can write as Vx, the voltage drop at this can be written as IC1 R1. Okay, IC1 R1. Here we have put substituted this value of Vx IC1 R1 minus Vos is equals to Vy in this right hand side branch can be written as R2 IC2. Okay, R2 IC2. So IC2 into R2. Hence we get IC1 is equals to IC2 plus VOS by R2. So let us return to the equation this equation. Let us return to this equation and substituting the value of all these things. Okay, substituting the value of VBE1 minus VBE2 minus VOS, what we will get? VBE1 minus VBE2 minus VOS. We know that base emitter voltage can be written as VT ln IC1 by IS1. Similarly for VBE2 minus VOS. Solving it further, we get uh, VT ln N minus VT ln IC1 by IC2. Solving these two terms, we get this. Now further writing the ratio of IC1 by IC2 from this equation as 1 plus VOS by R2 IC2. Solving it further, we will get VT VOS R2 IC2, okay, minus VOS. And further solving this equation, taking VOS common, we can write as VT ln N minus 1 plus 1 upon GM R2 VOS. Okay, so this is the result what we have obtained previously. The output offset contribution amounts to minus of 1 plus 1 upon GM R2 1 plus R2 R3 VOS, which is approximately the same we have obtained previously as this VOR by VOS. Okay, so this is a simple example in which the output offset voltage is taken into consideration. The two collector current IC1 and IC2, which have taken equal. In this case, we have not taken them equal, we have taken them different and solving it for VOS to Vout. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will take several methods how we can lower this value of VOS.